Hello, everyone.
Hello, friends.
Welcome back to Smart Learning English.
Thank you for watching today.
Today's lesson is very important.
Yes, very important, especially if you are sick.
Oh no, are you sick today?
Maybe, maybe not, but I feel a little lazy.
Lazy is not sick.
Oh, that's good news.
Today, we will learn English for visiting a doctor.
Yes, many people feel nervous when they go to the doctor.
Are you nervous?
Yes, especially when I see a needle.
Oh, you don't like injections?
No, I run away very fast.
Don't worry.
Today, you will learn simple English to speak with confidence.
Listen carefully.
Repeat after us.
Practice every day.
And don't forget,
Subscribe to Smart Learning English
like this video.
and write a comment below.
Tell us, do you like going to the doctor?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Hello.
Hello,
How can I help you?
I want to see a doctor.
Do you have an appointment?
Yes, I forgot.
You forgot?
Yes, I remember everything except important things.
That happens sometimes.
Yes, especially on Monday morning.
What is your name?
My name is Paul.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Are you feeling sick?
Yes, very sick.
What happened?
I have a headache.
Since when?
Since yesterday.
Did you sleep well?
No, I watched movies all night.
Ah, that's the problem.
Yes, too many movies.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Okay.
Thank you.
Paul, the doctor is ready.
Okay, I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry.
I always worry.
Please come in.
Hello, doctor.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
What seems to be the problem?
I don't feel well.
What happened?
I have a headache.
Do you feel dizzy?
Yes, when I stand up.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I forgot.
You forgot again?
Yes, I forget many things.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so.
Since when?
Since yesterday.
Did you take any medicine?
No,
Why not?
because I don't like bitter medicine.
Nobody likes bitter medicine.
Yes, medicine is not candy.
Do you have a sore throat?
Yes, my throat hurts.
Do you cough?
Yes, sometimes.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
Please open your mouth. Not too wide.
Sorry.
You have a fever.
Oh no.
Don't worry.
Okay,
It is not serious.
that's good.
You need some rest.
Okay,
Drink more water.
I will.
And take medicine.
Okay, but please not bitter medicine.
Sorry, it is bitter.
Oh no. I will give you some medicine. Okay, but please not too many medicines.
Only 3 medicines.
3?
Don't worry, not 30.
That's good. I don't want a big bag of medicine.
Take this medicine 2 times a day.
2 times?
Yes,
Morning and night.
correct.
Should I take it before food?
After food.
Good. I like eating first.
Drink warm water.
Okay.
And get enough sleep.
Sleep is my favorite medicine.
Yes, sleep is very important.
Can I watch movies at night?
No movies.
Oh no, that is hard.
No movies, more sleep.
Okay, I will try.
Also, eat healthy food.
Can I eat ice cream?
No ice cream.
Oh no, now I feel more sick.
Only healthy food.
Okay, vegetables, right?
Yes.
Vegetables are not my best friend.
They will help you feel better.
Okay, I will try.
Do you have any questions?
Yes.
What is it?
Can I drink coffee?
Only a little.
Good. I love coffee.
Too much coffee is not good.
Okay, only 1 cup.
That's fine.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
I hope I feel better soon.
You will feel better in 2 days.
That's great news.
Hello,
Hello.
I need this medicine.
Okay, let me see.
Here's the paper.
Yes, I see.
Is the medicine expensive?
No, not too expensive.
Good. My wallet is happy now.
Here is your medicine.
Thank you.
Take this tablet after meals.
After meals?
Yes,
How many times?
2 times a day.
Morning and night?
Yes.
Okay.
Do not skip medicine.
Okay.
Finish all medicine.
Even if I feel better?
Yes, finish all medicine.
Okay, I understand.
Drink plenty of water.
Okay.
Get enough rest.
Yes.
No cold drinks.
No cold drinks?
Yes.
Even soda?
No soda.
Oh no, life is hard.
Only warm drinks.
Okay, I will try.
Get well soon.
Thank you very much.
Now listen and repeat.
Take medicine after meals.
Repeat.
Take medicine after meals.
Very good.
Drink more water.
Repeat.
Drink more water.
Excellent.
Get enough rest.
Repeat.
Get enough rest.
Good job.
No cold drinks.
Repeat.
No cold drinks.
Very good.
Hello again.
Hello.
How do you feel today?
I feel much better.
That's great.
Yes, the medicine helped me.
Did you take the medicine?
Yes, every day.
Good job.
But the medicine was very bitter.
Bitter medicine is good medicine.
Yes, but my face looked funny every time.
Did you drink warm water?
Yes,
Did you sleep well?
yes, I slept very early.
Did you watch movies?
No, no movies. Very sad.
But now you feel better.
Yes, now I feel strong.
That's good.
Now I can eat ice cream again.
Wait, are you sure?
Maybe just 1 ice cream.
Not too many.
Okay, only 1.
Very good. Now, let's review.
Listen and repeat.
I have a headache.
Repeat.
I have a headache.
Very good.
I have a fever.
Repeat.
I have a fever.
Excellent.
Take medicine after meals.
Repeat.
Take medicine after meals.
Good job.
Drink more water.
Repeat.
Drink more water.
Very good.
Get enough rest.
Repeat.
Get enough rest.
Excellent.
So, are you afraid of injections?
Yes, very afraid.
What do you do when you see a needle?
I close my eyes.
Then,
I run away.
you run away?
Yes, very fast.
That's funny.
Yes, but the nurse runs faster.
Oh no, that is dangerous.
Yes, so now I stay and be brave.
That's good.
Brave people get healthy faster.
Very true. Great job today.
You learned many useful sentences.
If you enjoyed this lesson,
Please subscribe to Smart Learning English
like this video,
and write a comment below.
tell us.
Have you visited a doctor before?
And what did the doctor say? We love reading your comments.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.
Stay healthy.
And keep learning English.